Faith people are restless people. Don't tell me you have faith when you are sitting down. Don't tell me you have faith when you are folding your hands. Faith demands that you do something.
Everything God has done, it is for your lifting, it is for your progress, it is for you to live a dominion lifestyle, a lifestyle of prosperity, a lifestyle of success. And what have you?
Rise up and be that man or woman of God God calls you to be.
Realize the lie and accept the truth and stand on that truth.
Every activity of your life will enjoy divine help.